Hey guys, it's Matthew here, and I want to talk to you about foraging in your backyard. Now, I lived in this house for a little over a year now, and I haven't had too much time to spend in the backyard. I've just been very busy with work and college. So I've had some time at home, and I've been cleaning up the backyard, and I've noticed some things that are actually part of a food forest, and I want to point those out to you because you might be able to find fruits like this in your backyard that you didn't even know you had. So for example, behind me, I have here the prickly pear tree. So the prickly pear is a cactus fruit. It's also known as the cactus pear, and it's covered in glow kids. So to harvest this, you're going to want a pair of tongs and a collecting container here. After this cactus sets flower, it's going to drop its flowers and it's going to leave behind a fruit with a recess inside of it. And these are the fruits that we're going to harvest. Now, some of them will kind of wither away and turn yellow real quick, and those aren't the ones we necessarily want. We want the bigger, plumper ones that are soft to the touch. Some varieties of this cactus fruit will start to change to a yellow fruit or to a pink or red fruits, and those are the more sweet varieties. That's great if you have those, and you want to wait until those fully change color if possible. They'll still have a firm texture to them, but they'll start to soften up. The difference is the ones on this tree are yellow and totally mush, so you don't want these ones. This is a green cactus fruit. Nice and soft.
So as you'll see, I'm starting to harvest the prickly pears off the cactus plant here. The prickly pears are covered in glow kids, which is why we're using our tongs to harvest these, so be sure to give them a good test. Not bad. The cactus plants can be difficult to work around because they are covered in spikes, and mine happens to be covered in a lot of spiders, so I'm taking my time here. Be thorough when looking for prickly pear fruits because they do ripen very quickly, and it's important to catch them before they become over-ripened. I'm just going to pull this flower out here and let you see what it looks like on the inside. You can see the glow kids on the outside of the fruit here, and you want to be careful not to touch those. Burn them off. Now take a look at this section of backyard. What do you see? It may not look like much to the untrained eye, however there are 2 edible fruiting plants in this video. See if you can spot them. Did you catch that? Did you see it? Dragon fruit. Although the specimen from the neighbor's yard may not be the healthiest example, a cutting could easily be made and many new plants could be cultivated easily. How about this tree? Did you spot the fruit? Here we have a Brazilian cherry tree, or a pitanga. The fruit is high in antioxidants and research shows it may have antifungal properties. There aren't many ripe ones yet, but keep an eye out and scour the area thoroughly. And be sure to check your fruits for quality. Look out for hidden dangers. Even though I'm in the Florida heat, I wear long sleeves to protect myself from biting insects while I'm foraging. And here you have it, a successful harvest. Take a look. We got some good quality fruit here. Now these are going to have to be processed before they're ready to eat, but I'm pretty happy with what we have. And there's still a large amount outside on the cactus, so I'm going to go harvest those tomorrow or the day after. Please press the like button if you enjoyed this video, and also please help this channel by subscribing. Subscribing helps support me so I can keep making great content like this video. See you next time on Green Beans Grow.